So guys, let's do the unboxing of this OnePlus 9 5G model. So it's pretty straightforward. There's an open flap. You just tear it across and just remove this cellophane covering. OnePlus, one thing I like about them is the color, and one thing I like about the packaging. Packaging is very neat. I've always been a fan of OnePlus packaging. It's a personal choice, like the mobiles you buy. So see, right off the bat here there is a Hasselblad marking, which is very nice, and this is OnePlus marking, and I don't know what that is, P1D50T. If you guys know, comment down in the section below. So this is quite nice, and right out of the bag we get this phone. It says NFC detection area, so this is a you can do wireless charging as well on this phone, and it's NFC enabled. I've never used NFC. I don't see what's the point of NFC, but maybe you guys use it. Let me know why do you guys use it and how is it useful. And straight off the bat you can see just the camera. It's not front, the phone is not on its front but on its back. Straight out of the back you can see this Hasselblad marking and the 3 cameras it has. So another distinguishing factor between OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro is the camera. So this is 3 cameras it has, and the Pro model has 4 cameras. And on your screen you can see the detailed description on the megapixels and everything, which this phone has, and what OnePlus 9 Pro has. So if you are into more of a mobile photography and you have 15,000 extra to spend, go ahead with that. But if you just want a good phone and OnePlus phone, you can just buy this and save some 15 grand for something else. So let's just open this, just flip it on this side. So I'll just keep it here for now. Let's see what are the other accessories here. So I'm sure this will have all the safety information, booklets, and the cover of the phone. Yeah, so this is how the phone cover comes. This is very nice. I mean, right out the back they give you protection for your phone, so it's a very flexible material. I like it. I have OnePlus 6, which is right now charging, so they have given a black color on that. So I didn't like it because it didn't reflect the phone color, but this is translucent, so this color you'll be able to appreciate more. So this is a nice thing which they did. So here is the charger. The best part is you get 65-watt charger here, which is in the other models as well. And 65-watt means you can essentially charge this phone in 40 to 50 minutes max, and from 0 to 100, so which is amazing. My OnePlus 6T also charges fast, but it takes from 0 to 100 it at least takes 1 hour or more than an hour. So of course 65 watt charger will be a little better. So we'll just remove this, because one thing I always do, I don't know whether you guys do it or not, is charge your phone completely up to 100% before starting the phone. So what I'll do now is basically just charge this phone till 100%, and then show you guys how this OnePlus phone is, the operating system and stuff. Which I actually like about OnePlus is the operating system. It's like an Apple phone in an Android body. So this is all this you get. This is the tray ejector, SIM tray ejector, and this is safety information, and this is some logos and stickers you want to put anywhere, they give it to you. And that's pretty much it. This is pretty much standard unboxing. I like the box here. I'm just gonna keep this here. I'm just gonna charge this phone till 100% and then give you the review further.